What is going on, guys? Right now on my car, there she is, she looks so good. I have OEM Type R side skirts on. Now when I first put the side skirts on the car, I'm gonna be honest, I didn't know much about side skirts for this car. I actually thought, when I saw the Aspec ones, I thought I was getting the Aspec ones. But I was wrong. They are different, the Type R and the Aspec ones. The Aspec ones are actually bigger and look better. And that's kind of the ones I wanted. But I said, screw it, I'll just throw the Type R ones on anyways, because the regular ones, they looked better than that at least. So, yeah. So, I can't talk today. I went ahead and I ordered the Aspec ones. These are replica ones, excuse me, because real ones are very expensive. Watching Top Gear, let me just turn that down.
Chicago. And he's sideways, he is very sideways, steady, stinging.
So I went ahead, ordered the, these are like Duraflex, fiberglass, plastic replicas. They seem to be pretty good quality. Ordered them off eBay. So I'm going to be throwing these on today, but basically what I'm going to be doing today is taking off my old Type R ones and putting on these Aspec ones, and yeah, so let's get right to it. Okay, so I'm gonna admit I'm a little confused by this side skirt. So what I've done, I trimmed up the front so I could fit a self-tapper into the front of it, and then I put a self-tapper basically in the bottom of it. I'm gonna just think, I mean, it doesn't look bad the way it's sitting right now. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put self-tappers into the bottom and just kind of drill into the car a little bit, and then I'll probably put some self-tappers in the top, kind of facing this way, if that makes sense. I don't know, I don't really know how else to do it. Yeah, so first I'm going to put the self-tappers into the bottom. Alright, so it kind of sits like this, which I don't like. It's a little too straight up and down, so I'm going to undo all the bottom ones, just leave the top ones on, and then hopefully it'll kind of angle itself out more just naturally, and then I'll re-screw them in. So yeah, I'm just gonna try that. This looks a little better to me. I don't know if there's even a difference really. But yeah, these side skirts look pretty cool, honestly. I'll have to buy some brackets so I can mount them a little better. But for the meantime, I'm gonna leave them on. They're pretty sturdy. I mean, you can really tug on it a lot and they don't go anywhere. I've got a bunch of screws in there, probably like 10, 15, in the top and the bottom. So I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. Like I said, I'll have to buy some better mounting hardware or some brackets or something. But done with that for now. Now what I want to do is I actually want to raise the fronts a little. This is almost kind of like the height I want. Full droop. This is kind of the height I want. The rears have been a little higher because I had to raise them because I was rubbing. I really like kind of the track look. I've gotten a little bit used to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and raise the fronts just about a 1/4 inch maybe. Yeah, probably just about a 1/4 inch. I don't really want to have to do it too much because I do like having pretty good slammed looking look. But they do rub a little, so it'll hopefully help that and also give it just a little bit more even look. Right now it's really front rake heavy. So yeah, I'm gonna raise the fronts a 1/4 inch. Got it done. That's a lot better. It's not really gonna show a huge difference right now because the car has a sway bar, so the other side is kind of bringing this one down a tiny bit, probably. But since it hasn't settled yet, I think this is gonna be kind of where it sits for right now. That's what I'm guessing at least. I have to take this thing to alignment shop. I need a front alignment now, and I want to do custom camber specs, but Alright guys, both sides are on, the fronts have been raised. That's where I'm gonna call it tonight. I will pick it back up tomorrow where I will pull the car out and we'll look at it in the sun and I'll see how it looks. But for right now, I'm pretty tired. I think I'm gonna go to bed. Alright guys, I don't know why I decided to film this over Snapchat, but I did. So yeah, this is how it turned out. There's a couple things I'm showing here that I haven't really revealed yet, but whatever, I don't care, screw it. Yeah, if you like this video, please make sure to drop a like down below, subscribe for more content like this, and as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Choose your fighter.
Likey inspired. Fight.